Hello and welcome to this video introducing the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. The AI technology in the glasses have significant benefits to people with sight loss, and today we will show you one of these features. In the box will be the glasses, a charging case along with a cleaning cloth and some literature including a quick start guide. The glasses work by using a camera in the left corner of the frame, and when awoken by the wake word "Hey Meta" links to the Meta AI app to carry out your request. The Meta app will have to be downloaded to a smartphone or tablet device.
To demonstrate the look and see function of the Meta glasses, I am going to ask it to read a page from our service handbook to see if it can cope with the text. Hey Meta, what does this say?
The text reads, Service Handbook 5. Mobility, one of the main difficulties that visually impaired people experience, is safe movement from place to place, whether indoors or out. A variety of techniques, tools and training is available to support people. A rehabilitation officer will be able to assess, advise and train to ensure that a sight-impaired individual may continue to travel safely from place to place. Mobility training will be offered to people of all ages, and there are many different types of cane, including a symbol cane, which is usually 70 to 90 centimeters, and is intended to inform others that your vision is impaired so that they can give you more space and consideration.
Stop. So, as you can hear from that, the Meta glasses did a really good job of reading out the document in front of me. It gave me all the information word for word, really useful. Another great function of the look and see is the fact that you can ask it for specific information from a page. So if you don't want to just have the page read out from top to bottom, you can ask it for specific snippets of information that is relevant to you. For example, if I wanted to know if there was a phone number on the page, then I could simply ask, Hey Meta, is there a phone number on this page?
Yes, the phone number is 012 48 353 604.
So that's really useful information to get quickly by using the Meta glasses. Another test we can do is seeing how the Meta glasses handles reading different products. Hey Meta, is this a pouch of cat food?
No, this is not a pouch of cat food. It appears to be a package of microwavable pillow rice.
So again, by hearing that, you can tell the difference between different items that sometimes people make mistakes with in the kitchen. Hey Meta, what's this?
This is a box of Flarin soft capsules, which are used for joint and muscular pain relief.
What's the dosage?
The dosage is 200 milligrams.
Hey Meta, how many of these tablets should I take?
The recommended dosage for Flarin is to take 1 or 2 soft capsules up to 3 times a day as needed. However, it's always best to consult the packaging or a healthcare professional for specific guidance.
So the glasses are very good as well on answering follow-up questions regarding the product that you are trying to see. Hey Meta, is this a tin of baked beans?
No, this is not a tin of baked beans. It is a tin of pea and ham.
Again, really useful in identifying different products. So, hopefully this video has shown you how useful the Meta glasses can be for people with sight loss and the benefits that come along with it. I have demonstrated the look and see function today, but these glasses do have some other features that might be of use to people with sight loss as well. They can obviously connect up to your smartphone and relay phone call information and messages through WhatsApp and Facebook as well. You can also make and receive phone calls on the glasses themselves by using your voice. So again, there are a lot more things that these glasses can do. And if you would like more information on the glasses and how useful they could be for yourself, then please get in touch with Nick at the North Wales Society for the Blind on 01248 353 604. Thank you very much.